All right, in chapter 2, we're going to talk about the automated valuation revolution. And that's really what it is, a revolution. AVMs are taking over everything. You know, even agents are using them more and more to help do their CMAs. And tools like RPR, now that's a great tool, don't get me wrong, I really love RPR. But you can't let it come up with a price for you. It'll select your comps, it'll take the square footage from public records for your subject, it'll give you a listing price or a price range. It's great to do everything but select the comps. Agents have to do that. You have to trust yourself to understand what the best comparable sales are. And so AVMs are a great tool for agents to use, but don't let it come up with the final value for you. That's what we need real estate professionals to do. And in the mortgage business, oh gosh, I don't know where to start on mortgages, but everybody is talking about this great new technology we have, and that AVMs are becoming more and more of a quality product. Well, guys, bad info in puts bad info out, you know, and there's no way to change the premise of these valuation products. You know, they're taking information from public records, the majority of them, and even though some use MLS, they still, for the majority of the information they get, comes from public records, which is wrong. And big banking is making this great push to Fannie Mae and the mortgage, you know, the government agencies, trying to get them to push AVMs into the appraisal process and use less appraisers. And a lot of agents say, oh, that sounds really good, let's get rid of some of these pesky appraisers. Guess what? One of these days you may be faced with only AVMs doing the value. And if somebody doesn't like that value, they're going to either come back to the AVM or they're going to come back to the listing agent that came up with the price in the first time. Technology is great. It has its place. Figuring up home values is not really one of those. But let's look at some of the facts of automated valuation models and you decide for yourself.